Okay, so I'm going to do a little recording here on how to use the Hirens Disk. And the first thing I'm going to do is boot into my XP in my virtual box. I already set it up to boot from the CD. Yep, there we go. So we want to go down, arrow down to the mini Windows XP, and we're going to boot into that. This is a GUI version. I might do one later on how to do it in the command prompt, and show you some other things on the Hirens too, because there's a lot of good stuff for in there. A lot of good stuff for in there. So here we go, we're booting up now. Now this is running off the CD, it's not running off the hard drive. In a normal situation, you wouldn't have access to the hard drive because to do this, because it's actually running and you can't get into it anyway. So this is going to allow us to bypass the username password login, not any BIOS passwords, but the username login. So just to show you a couple other quick things before we get started, if you click on start, go to settings, all that's there, programs are there. We'll go up to my computer, and there's our local disk. It's only 20 gigs because I'm using a virtual box. But you click on that, oops, double click on that, shows you everything you would normally see if you went into my computer. So we're going to go down here to the program launcher. We're going to go to passwords and keys, go up here to Windows login, and we want to use the reset XP Vista 7 user. It'll also work in Windows 10. Okay. And then this shows us the path that we have to go to. So we want to actually, sometimes you can just click on that and you can hit reopen or whatever, but that's the path you want. Okay, so if it doesn't come up automatically, you just click on there. We're going to go to my computer. I'm going to show you the whole path. Local disk, Windows, System 32, config, and there's our SAM file, Security Account Manager. So we're going to hit open. Normally you wouldn't be able to do this if you were actually using your hard drive. This would be locked. So we go into open, and there you have a list of all the users on your computer that have a password. So we're going to click on this one. We're going to hit change password. We're going to leave it blank. So hit OK. Make sure you hit save changes or it'll all go away. So we hit save changes. We're done. We exit out. Close it out. You can hit shutdown. And at this point, you could reboot and it would take you right into that, and you can just click on and not have to put your password in. So I'm going to reset my virtual box by going to put my hard disk up there first so it doesn't boot off the CD again. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to double click on the XP, and hopefully it'll bypass the CD I got in there, go into my hard drive, and we'll see if it'll let us in without entering the password. If not, I have to go in and do one more thing. Looks like it's going to come up. See, normally yes, where you put your password in. I'm going to hit OK, and it lets me in. Let me bypass setting in my password. That's what you want to do. That should work. If it still asks you for a password, go back and do it again. Make sure you hit the save changes. Outside of that, it should work the first time, every time. Thank you.